What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So the video that I was trying to make yesterday, talking about I told you. I'm telling people that I was right, and I feel as though this is going to be a great play, right? There's a lot of people that will doubt anything that is new, anything that they haven't heard from the masses, right? If they see a certain play and it's like it doesn't have as much traction as something else, they're always going to find a way to count it out, to push it to the side, to basically say that this is a non-mover, right? And I feel as though this play is big for a lot of people, or can be big for a lot of people, and it's something that I feel like the concept is huge. I feel like the concept is something that you don't see anywhere else, right? You look at Ethereum, you look at Bitcoin, you look at BNB, you look at CRO, whatever position, right? You know that some of them are deflationary, right? Deflationary by seeing standard burns that go through, maybe a quarterly burn, maybe just an overall massive burn or something like that. But nothing has what this position has, and what they are doing so far. And that position is Elmo ERC. I know I've talked about it quite a bit. In the beginning, I did just a review on it, and I basically said this position looks so great that I want to turn this from a review to maybe like a little bit of a partnership in a way, to do my initial reviews and then see that blossom into something way bigger over time, because of what they do. Now, if you are new here, right, I know this is going to generate some new viewers. If you are new here, Elmo ERC is a deflationary position, a hyper deflationary position, that creates strength, that creates stability through its burns. And I'll explain how, if you guys don't know. And I have other videos that are explaining it in more detail if I don't get into some of the detail that you want to hear about. But first, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, @PerryAK, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the other links that are in the description. It does help out the channel, for my referral links, for my Patreon, whatever, right? It does help out the channel quite a bit. So let's talk about Elmo ERC. First, just a little brief, what is it type of thing for the people that don't know. Right. Elmo ERC, like I said, is a hyperdeflationary position. They offer a 0% buy tax with a 10% sell tax. And usually this type of play, kind of is dead in the water if they're not finding ways to have more volume outside of just the DEX side. Typically, when you see plays like this, they are pushing towards the DEX side, to where they're looking to have burns, a play to earn or play to burn game, that's over there on the DEX side, NFTs and all these other things over on this side, and focus all of their energy and all of their money on the DEX side. However, Elmo is trying to focus on every side. They're trying to cover all of their areas to where you can see volume happen. So DEX side, CEX side, hand to hand, right? It doesn't really matter. They're looking for ways to capture that volume wherever the popular volume is. They are going to do burns within it. Now, the reason why I say that they are big is because of the things that they've done for the burns, they've done for the project, and I wanted to talk about those as well. So currently Elmo ERC is at 1.6 cents. It got to a high of about 3 cents at one point, and we saw break that high above 3 cents. And that was kind of a barrier that they were trying to work through, because of the fact that you see certain resistance levels, and that was their resistance level. But currently we're seeing a resistance level up in the or over the 3 cent mark at the moment. What they've done with the market cap, it's currently at about $4 million market cap is what it shows on coin market cap. We're seeing about $824,000 in volume, which is up 69% in the last 24 hours. Volume to market cap ratio is looking at about 18%, almost 20%. Self-reported circulating supply that they have, 263 million. Now that's self-reported circulating supply. Your total supply is 372 million. They started with 1 billion, burned off half of it, and were able to burn off the rest through transactions, which is huge, right? Seeing those transactions that are burning off, it creates more strength and more of a ability to hit further ceilings, especially at certain market caps. If you believe this can get to a $10 million market cap, then it looks different every day that it's at that $10 million market cap. The reason being is because market cap equals price multiplied by supply. So if the price, let's say if the supply is decreasing and the market cap is staying at a $10 million market cap, then that means the price has to go up, right? So it's going to increase every single day. Now, if the market cap somehow decreases, it's increasing the ceiling, right? The potential. Because while you look at, let's say, Elmo ERC, in order to get to $1, would need a $372 million market cap. In order for Elmo to get to $1 in the future, it may only have 100 million coins, and means that it needs to get to a $100 million market cap to get to $1. So it's essentially the first meme coin, in my opinion, that has the ability to get to $1, the earliest, right? The easiest, because the supply decreases down, which gives it that opportunity to get there a lot quicker. But the more important piece that I wanted to bring you guys today is why it's different, right? Because again, the other coins that are out there that are doing buy and sell taxes, they are not seeing as much growth because they're not seeing the volume where they want to see it on the DEX side. That's the difference with Elmo. They are doing it on the CEX side as well. They have LBank that you're able to purchase on and have the burn tax. You have Bitmart you purchase on and have the burn tax. Bitforex, which is brand new. CoinW, right? So they're constantly creating or adding these exchanges to do something way bigger and be that next meme coin that can actually be hyper deflationary, like a lot of projects claim that they are. Elmo is hyper deflationary. Elmo is doing everything that they can in order to create more volume, and that's what I wanted things like Lunatics token to do, things like any other smaller project that creates some sort of a burn tax. That's what I wanted them to do, because when you do that, now these exchanges one by one are agreeing contract wise that they will burn off a certain amount with your project, and that's how it goes. And if they don't burn, then it doesn't get listed on the platform. So they're definitely taking these steps, and they were able to go from about $200,000 in volume up to over $1 million in volume at the current moment. It says $822,000, but for some reason CoinW has a little bit of an asterisk and it's not counting the volume in there, but that's $300,000. So you're basically over $1.1 million per day that you're seeing in volume for Elmo ERC. And then in a certain period of time, you'll see all of that burning come out as well. After that money is held for exchanges, and then it's all burned at certain periods of time. But again, Elmo ERC for me is a great play. I hope that they continue what they're doing, but this is where it's at. You can create all these things on the DEX side, but you need volume. You need to go where the money is. And if you can find and create or add the burn tax within these places where the money is, that's what it's all about, right? You're creating strength for your project, and because you're creating more volume for your project. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think about Elmo ERC. I know there's some people that are skeptical about it, but I told you they're making moves like no other cryptocurrency, no other smaller cryptocurrency, and any other cryptocurrency in general, right? They're doing things that they will never do, right? They could be deflationary, but they will never be this deflationary. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.